Hey guys, it's me, Gary Titus, your HFA data guy. Welcome to our new ETO tips and tricks series. Here we go. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an entity. I usually start off by searching for an instance of the entity. So I'm going to type in New Hampshire and search. And there is Quick Work New Hampshire and NVNH. So I'm looking for the Coalition Against Domestic and Sexual Violence, and I don't see one in there. So you can either click here on the Add New Entity. I'm going to show you from the dashboard. You add new entity, and you enter in New Hampshire. So that's my new entity I'm entering in, and I'm going to be selecting service provider from the list. You can add the addresses and stuff, all of the information that's needed. But in this case, I'm just going to go with what's needed, and that's the name and the entity type. And I'm going to click Save. It says New Hampshire Coalition Against Domestic and Sexual Violence was successfully added. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. I'm going to view New Hampshire Coalition. There it is. And if you're looking for it and you're in the referral tracking, you should be able to find it now. Wait a minute. Service provider. And there it is. That's how you would add a new entity. Well, everyone, thanks for watching. This is Gary Titus, your HFA data guy, signing off. Check out our other ETO tips and tricks on our YouTube channel. Got a good trick you'd like to share? Send an email and we might feature it in our upcoming video. See you all soon.